Welcome back, guys, to another video, and today we're gonna deep dive on how to do your BingX crypto taxes in a few steps. It's very easy. We have to log in, get our CSV file, and then import that into CoinTracking and do in a few simple steps the CoinTracking tax report. So let's dive into it. Now, if we have BingX.com open in our browser, then we have to probably log in. I'm logged in already, I'm a little prepared here, but you have to log in. And all you have to do to obtain your CSV and Excel file is go to your user icon and then go to data export. It's very easy. And if you click that, then you will be on the correct page already. The thing with BingX is that you only can export a time period of 1 year, meaning you cannot export if you click on custom and you just want to export the entire history from I don't know how long you trade on BingX. It only works for you 1 year, so you have to always select 1 year, then the next year, then the next year, and so on and so on. For our case, we're not trading for that long on BingX, so I just clicked past 1 year. For the accounts, we select all the accounts. For file type, we select Excel, and then for the transaction type, all the tax reporting data, and then we hit generate. We see here that we have 13 times left. It's important to know that if you generate a lot of reports, then after 15 reports per month, you will be restricted and you have to wait until the next month starts, so we have the new time limit or download limit. Down below, you will see at the export history, all your exports. You'll see that mine is still generating here, even though I requested it like 10 minutes ago. So it's good to bring some time if you want to export your BingX history, depending on how many transactions you have and how many years you want to do. I have prepared the download already because I've done that yesterday here. And then I will show you where you can find a written tutorial as well, how to obtain your CSV. Meaning if you go to CoinTracking, for example, and then search for BingX under the imports, then you will see a written step-by-step guide how to obtain your CSV one more time in case something changes and this video is outdated. It's very easy as well that you can simply click the link here and then you will be redirected directly to the correct page in BingX, so you can simply just click generate and then you're simply done. You don't have to manually navigate somewhere. So that's very handy from CoinTracking. Once you have downloaded your BingX Excel file, then we have to navigate to CoinTracking to do our crypto taxes. If you have not signed up for CoinTracking yet, then in the video description there's a link and you can sign up very easily. It only takes 30 seconds and not even an email is required. So that's pretty cool. If you go to CoinTracking and you signed up for the very first time, then you will land on the imports page because you have to import some data. If you go in here and search for BingX, then you will find the exchange again with the written transaction export step-by-step tutorial. And if you have that already, we prepared that, then you can simply choose the file. If you choose the file, I have the prepared file in here, then you simply click open. You will see that the progress bar will be filled, and once it's full, then you can click continue to import. Now you will see all the transactions in here. You have on top some settings, but CoinTracking always gives you all the recommended settings, so you don't have to change anything by yourself. So we leave that as it is. And if you scroll down, we have to import validation, meaning we can see if there's any errors with the data sets which will get imported. Everything looks all right. Your import data looks good. Then we can proceed and start our import. Click the button on top and you will see in green BingX import has been done successfully. And if we go into our transactions on the left side and click that button, then we'll see our transactions are now imported into CoinTracking. Now, it's important to mention that you have to import all your transactions into CoinTracking so that the tax report makes in the end sense and has no errors. If you are trading on different exchanges, you have different wallets, you do some DeFi stuff, all that has to be in CoinTracking first before you start making your tax report. Let's assume we have done that all and now we want to proceed to our tax report. Once you hit tax reports in the menu bar, you will land on the tax report page. But before we start generating our tax report, we see on the bottom right that there is an orange exclamation mark. We have to recalculate our trades because we added new transactions, so the system needs to recalculate them in the backend. So we click that and it only takes a few seconds depending on how many trades you have. As we see, it only took barely 3 seconds, and then we can proceed with generating a tax report. On the left side, we see the year. For our case, we want to create a 2025 report, so that's correct in here. And then we see the settings. In the settings, we have to select our country. If it's our first tax report, we have to select our country. In my case, it is Germany, but we have a lot of different countries we support. So wherever you are in the world, we probably support your country, and then you can generate your tax report. For you, there will be pre-selected all the settings in here, which CoinTracking recommends. So you don't have to change anything in here. Everything is taken care of. And then you simply hit Generate Tax Report. Within seconds, if you have not many trades, your tax report will be generated, and then you will see the first overview, and you hit Load Report to see a more detailed overview of your tax report. You will see all the details about that, and if you scroll down, you have many different numbers and reports you can check out if everything looks correct. And once you validate it and found to yourself that everything looks correct in here, then you can click Download Tax Reports. Here you will be granted 2 more options to group the transactions so they're less in a tax report, and the full extended report and edit personal data so they're on the very top in the file. Now, once you have selected or done the settings you want to do in here, then you can simply click Download as a PDF or Download as an Excel file. And then you can go in and file your taxes or give that to your CPA and he will do that for you. Now all the main work is done and we have our CSV or we have done our tax report in CoinTracking. As you see, to obtain the CSV from the exchange was really easy, and also doing the tax report with CoinTracking is done in a few simple steps. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below and I will answer every single question there is. Also, give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.